animal. Second type of nutrition in animal. We have seen the first one, that is nutrition in plants. And in nutrition in plants, we saw that plants are autotrophic, means they can prepare their own food. All green plants, they can prepare their own food. So they are autotrophs. But we are heterotrophs. All the animals, so which nutrition? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Because they cannot make their own food. They have to depend upon the plants and animals for the food. Yes or no? So animal nutrition includes nutrients, requirement, mode of intake food and its utilization in the body. Animals nutrition includes nutrient requirement. We need nutrients. Without nutrients we cannot survive. We cannot get energy to all the life process. So nutrient is very important. So we need nutrients and nutrient requirement. Then mode of intake food. How we are eating. That is the mode of intake food. We take food inside, then we digest it in our stomach and small intestine. Then we get energy from that food. Then utilization. Utilization means we have to utilize all the nutrients, whatever we get from the food. That is utilization. All these things we are going to learn in nutrition in animals. In plants, we saw that plants have which one? Chlorophyll pigment, the green pigment, chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll, they can trap the sunlight and they can do the process photosynthesis. In this process, they get their own food as well as they make food for us. But we cannot have the chlorophyll, so we are heterotroph. We cannot make our own food, but we can get food from the plants and animals. We have to eat animal products like egg, then milk and meat, and plants products like all the vegetables, fruits, all these things we are getting from plants. So our food is coming from two sources, plant source and animal source. All the organisms including humans require food for growth. So we require food for our growth. We are growing all day. We are growing or not? We are growing all day. For our growth we need food. That food will give energy for our growth. Then repair means what about the body? Repairment work. Like if it is a machinery, then if something damage happened, then you have to take to any mechanic. Then mechanic will see and fix the machine. So like this, when our body needs some repairment work, then the food we eat, from there we do our repairment work. Understand now?
Yes.
Next, functioning of the body. All the daily activities, whatever you are doing, you are writing, you are reading, I am teaching you. So all these things possible because of the nutrients we are taking, the food we are taking. Yes or no? Next, plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals show heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Any doubt anybody in this slide? Anybody with doubt? No? Okay, then move to the next one. There are 5 steps in the nutrition. How many steps? 5 steps. First one, step 1, that is injection. That means we take food inside our body. That is, food is taken in by organism. All of you note it down. Do it. And listen to me also. Then, second step is digestion. Digestion means breaking down of complex food molecules into simpler molecules. All the food items which we are eating, that is in complex form. those complex form we cannot use directly. So we have to break it down into small simple molecules. And that simple molecules we can use it for our growth, repair and development. So how it is possible? It is possible with the process called digestion. Whenever we eat food, the food goes to esophagus, to the stomach, and when food reaches to stomach, partial digestion happens in the stomach. Partial digestion, and the food is fully digested in small intestine, and all the bacteria, the microbes, and our enzymes, they will act on the food item and they break down into simple substances for our use. Okay, then step number 3 is absorption. After food, digestion of the food, we have absorption. Absorption is very important, and absorption is done in the small intestine. The food completely digested in the small intestine, as well as the absorption also done in the small intestine. In small intestine, the finger-like projection is there. It is called villi. That villi absorbs all the nutrients. Digestion of food molecules are absorbed by the intestine wall. The wall of the intestine has villi. Then assimilation. Assimilation means absorbed food is incorporated into living cells and used by the body. All the nutrients, they will reach to each and every cell of our body. We have blood. Blood is the connective tissue of our body. So blood will take all the nutrients to the trillions of cells in the body. And all trillions of cells, they get nutrients. And then our cell utilize the nutrients. Our cell utilize the energy. The next step number 5 is digestion. And here all the undigested food, what is not digested, that we have to remove it from the body. That you go latrine, bathroom, why? This is because of the digestion. You have to remove all the undigested food from the body. Got it? And how we get any step? Step number 1, step number 2, anywhere. We will go through details also, but overview of all these steps we have here. Any doubt, then you cannot speak. Don't talk. Any doubt here? Ingestion means taking it, the food, we eat the food. Then digestion, food is digested in the stomach and small intestine. Then absorption in small intestine, and assimilation, it is the blood. Take all the nutrients to the trillions of cells of our body. Then rejection, the undigested food, it is removed from the body. Any doubt? Okay, if it is completed, then you have to inform me. I will move to the next slide. Completed? Very good, very nice. Now you are going to write. Wait quickly. And who have completed, help your friends to write. Okay. And go to the next slide. So you see, injection process. Injection process means the taking food inside the body. How we take in food, we will learn here. And how the different animals, they are taking food. So see, first, injection is the process by which food is taken in by the organism. It varies in different animals. How we are taking food, the same way is not done by all the animals. They have different ways of taking food. You see, snail. Snail eat which one? Grass. You have seen snail or not? In any season you can see snail, and that snail is grass. And by which mode? By chewing the food. Then ant. Ant eats, and the lives in colony. Ant is very common. You can see red colored ant and black colored ant. You have seen or not? But ant, what is their food? The food for the ant are plant material and other animal products. The animal they will eat, the product animal they will eat. And then biting and chewing is their mode of feeding. The eagle, you have seen eagle? Eagle is carnivorous or omnivorous? Carnivorous. Or is scavengers? So scavengers, carnivores, the difference you know or not? Carnivorous are flesh eating animal and scavengers are yes, they eat the dead animals. That is called scavengers. So the eagle eats flesh of prey. Eagle will eat flesh. And then what is the mode of feeding? Hearing. And hummingbird. Hummingbird you have seen the bird which make very beautiful nest. The nest of hummingbird is very good. And this bird eats nectar from flowers by soaking the nectar. Nectar is the juice that is in the flower. Okay, you have seen the garden, if there are many flowers, the insects they come and sit, butterfly also they come and sit, and the hummingbird also they come and sit on the flower. So why are they sitting on the flower? They are sitting on the flower because they are soaking nectar from it. Then lice, that is blood from the skin, they also soak the blood. Mosquito, blood from animals by soaking mosquito. You have noticed or not? Which mosquito bite? Male mosquito or female mosquito? Yes, only female mosquito bite. So have you done it? Written? Why are you not doing it? Okay, after some I will show you again. Whatever I am showing you, just note it down. The next one is name of the animals like this one, butterfly, nectar from flowers by siphoning, housefly, that is till then refuses them, soaking them. Amoeba is a macroscopic animal, very small. And this small animal will eat another small animal which is smaller than this animal. And tiny aquatic animal capturing and swallowing. Then snake, python snake, animal as a whole, they swallow the animal. Python swallow or not? And by swallowing, then feeding mechanism in starfish. In starfish you see here, the image of a starfish is very unique. You all have stomach inside your body or not? You have a mouth. What is the starfish is going to do? It takes out its stomach from its mouth to eat food. After taking out the stomach from its mouth, it eats food. Then again it brings back the stomach to its normal position. Can you do that? You cannot do it. But starfish can do it. It can bring the stomach out of its body from its mouth and then eat the animal. Then it will again bring back the stomach inside its body. Very amazing this one. So starfish is a marine animal because it lives in salt water. That's a marine animal in sea, and then which feed on animals covered by hard shell of calcium carbonate. You have seen tortoise? Tortoise is covered by hard shell. Like this, covered, which one is covered by hard shell? That animal is going to eat by this. Which one? Starfish. Then by this starfish. And it has a unique mode of nutrition. After opening the shell, starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. After eating its prey, it brings back its stomach inside the body. This food is then digested slowly by starfish. It's very unique or not? Starfish. They want to bite it. Put it down quickly. How much possible you do it? Yes. You have to speed up your writing. Do it. And after the class, I will upload the video. You can see it. You print it out. You can see the video, and you have to ask any further query, any question arises in your mind, then you can ask. And don't talk. I will check the copies. You have to make notes properly. Only some are only sitting here. I have, yes, that side. I notice it. Be careful, write it quickly. Grammar sentence, leave space. Then move to the next one. It is nutrition in humans. We are humans, and our nutrition is holozoic mode of nutrition. Holozoic means we eat food and digest it inside the body. Okay, this is the disturbance of current. Wait for some time.